morning everybody, happy Saptami and welcome back to my channel. I will be showing you Mukherjee Bari Puja and that's actually the Mukh Darshan of Durga Ma. Have a look at it and enjoy. May Durga Ma's blessings fall on all of us. Way to the salon, I saw this Mukh Darshan ceremony going on of Durga Ma and I thought of like sharing it with all of you. I hope all of you have actually enjoyed this ceremony because I have never seen this thing ever in my life. This is the first time that I have seen and I thought of like sharing it with you. Do comment down below if you've enjoyed it or not. I got my face cleanup done here at Silent Tropicana and Roma Didi is the one who did it to me. She's done a fabulous job and my skin feels now so light and perfect. Do come and visit here. This is Silent Tropicana at Badiganj. Thank you, Roma Didi.
Thank you.
I'll now make you meet the manager who sits here. Her name is Pinky Ma'am. I'll make you meet her now. So she is Pinky Ma'am. You can always drop a text to her and get your services availed. They are open from Monday to Sunday. I'll mention their number in the screen. You can see, it's flashing. You can always call them up or WhatsApp them. They'll send you the list of the services that they have. Chaliye. Thank you, Pinky Di. Happy Saptami.
Happy Saptami.
Do contact them. They are really good at their services. It's a small salon, but it's really nice. They've got two centers, and one at Baliganj and the other one at Kamak Street. Visit this place and get your services availed. Now I'll quickly rush back home because I have to get ready and move out with my parents and as well as my Masi. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, we are back again and I am totally ready along with my mom going out with my dad and we are now heading towards we'll go and first pick up my Masi and then we will be going ahead with some shopping. Mummy, excited?
Yes.
Papa, excited? He's busy driving. Chaliye, we'll meet once when my Masi joins in. मासी आ गई मेरी मासी. Here's my मासी.
Hi everybody.
Ready मासी आज मस्ती करने के लिए?
Yes, yes.
Happy Saptami. सबको wish करिए Happy Saptami.
Happy Saptami to all of you.
again these two are up to discussing something or the other. कल भी vlog में y'all were only discussing और आज भी. आज का क्या discussion?
Discussing about you only. What to buy.
We are here at a shop in New Market and searching for some Indian ethnic wear. Just have a look at their collection. We are again moving ahead with one more ethnic wear shop. Let's see from inside. Shops in Newmarket easily don't allow you to shoot their collection because they want to save it exclusively for their customers. So I was not allowed to shoot, but yes, I was allowed to take a glimpse of the entire store. And this is how the store looks like. Finally, we did so much of shopping. Mummy, Masi, कितना approximately हम लोग shops cover किया होगा?
I think about 4 to 5.
4 to 5 shops, ना? हाँ.
But we got good stuff.
हाँ.
Good suits.
सूट ये सब अच्छा मिल गया हम लोग को. We are actually finding out more. We want more shops. We are actually searching for more shops जैसे हम लोग को और अच्छा मिल सके.
This
Suits
time collections are quite good, no?
better than what we had come before the lockdown.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah. Very good collection.
मम्मी आपको अपने लिए कुछ मिला? नहीं. मासी आपको अपने लिए कुछ मिला? No, because these two have already purchased. These two have already purchased for themselves. Papa, are you enjoying? Papa, are you enjoying?
Yes.
Enjoying?
Absolutely.
We are now at Bhawanipur area and we again for Mom and Masi from Arun Tea Stall. Again these two are discussing. I don't know what they keep on discussing, but they are. अभी चाय आएगा उस पे और डिस्कशंस होते रहेगा ये लोग का. देता है भाई. वो ये लोग को चाय पीने का बहुत आदत है ना मासी और मम्मी को.
Both of them are drug addicts.
और tea addicts.
Tea addicts. They have tea like drugs. Both of them are tea addicts.
So I am back home. We are really dead tired. My parents are actually they've changed and they are resting right now. We dropped Masi back home and now we are here back at home. In my last vlog, I had told you that I had taken a bag from Quest. So let me show you all that first. So here's the bag that I had taken. Here, this is a sling bag that I had taken. It looks like this from front and this from back. Let me just open it and show it to you all. It looks like this from inside, and it also has a string lace attached to it. Here, this is the string lace which I can attach it and then carry it as a sling bag. I can even carry it as a cross bag. So howsoever you want to, maybe in this side or maybe a cross side bag, I can carry it in both the ways. Do let me know in the comment section below if you are enjoying my vlogs or not. Till then, happy Saptami, and I'll end my vlog here. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you back again tomorrow. Do not miss my vlog tomorrow because tomorrow I am going for Ashtami Puja and I'll show you where am I going and how am I dressed up for tomorrow's occasion. Till then, bye!